I was bored, so I added rails to the game. So, welcome back to another devlog as usual, but this time it's pretty small than usual, but so you should consider joining our Discord server, you know what I mean? Yeah, I will give out like exclusive sneaks over there, you know what I mean? Yeah, also can chat with other people and stuff. If you know, you know. And also one more thing, I did a giveaway last time, and after 1 second though, so you guys replied me and messaged me the code, so this time won't hide it, for real. And also, yeah, can win 500 Robux if you find that code, you know what I mean? Yeah, good luck finding it. Okay, that's it. Let's get to the video, right? Yeah, let's go. One more thing before we get into the video, I want to thank you all for supporting me with this you know what I mean, game, like contributors and the Patreons or on the Patreon channel. And yeah, so let's get back to the video. So I started by building the actual build, you know, the rail. It came out okay. I'm not the best build. Okay, let's get to the scripting. Yeah. After some coding later, I got the basic functionality working. You can see the other proximity and rail. Yeah, it doesn't have any animations yet, but it has the basic stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, cool stuff. Let me show you again, so you can get a better view. Okay. Also, you can't run, no move, anything. I just stun the character, and yeah, you can. There's a little push at the end, so it like it looks cool, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's kind of it. So yeah. So I've been coding for a while, and I got the curve thing working and polished out the actual stuff, you know, railing stuff, you know. See, you can curve now. It's a little bit choppy right now, but it works. Yeah, the lighting looks sick too, right? Yeah. It's, Dodge updated the lighting, I think. Looks pretty cool. And let me show you again. Okay, let me play. Okay, eat rail, you know. Then we got animation for it. Diamond P, yeah, he made the animation. And I kind of made the rail as well myself. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, let me show you again. It took a while to get this, but I finally did. Yeah, it's pretty sick. And no VFX or anything yet, but looks pretty cool in my opinion. We'll let the push at the end later. Needs some tweaking, and also this is working as well. Straight lines, rails, yeah. That's it. So I've been scripting for a while now, and I polished out the railing system and add loop to loops. You can you see in the background, like you can go on the loop to loop. Yeah, for some reason animation isn't loading. Oh, there you go. My internet is kind of trash, so and I had VFX like Dodge made them basic VFX. Like it. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments down below. Yeah, I think the system is pretty much done right now. Looks good. And you can do that. A loopy loop, like in Sonic games, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm a big fan of Sonic, so makes sense. And you can still grind on these rails. So yeah, pretty sick. And let me show you again, I guess. Sure, why one more time. I don't know what happened to my clothes. Probably my internet. I apologize for that. Pretty slick. I think I need that. Pretty slick. So that's kind of it. So
words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet cage and count my fireplace and tell me while I lie awake. The moon's got